Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to backup data on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen. After this, you can just simply go to the settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on data and storage here, and after this you can tap on using cellular, and you can just simply adjust this data usage line to the high and go back, and now tap on using Wi-Fi, and you can just simply adjust this line by same as using cellular high. And it is the way you can backup data on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.